Public utilities, their cleaning, and the daily sanitization of the venue. Precautions are pulled. And of course, uninterrupted water supply would be a requirement. It's going to be hot, and for all the dust coming up, we would have to settle. Aim to accommodate not more than 300 people, keeping social distancing in mind. And we will have about 2 batches.
Probably evacuating these people also important because they are coming from all the districts. So probably RTC somebody from RTC, RTC somebody is from RTC. They should also be there.
Landing up there. This is practical experience around. This would be required. So backup would be required, at least a 15 to 30 kVA generator, depending upon how much. People who find it difficult, we have candidates who will come without the certificate. We don't make them run on that. Please make people aware they should carry this. And once we come to know how many people are that day. But to prevent this, going in district wise, we will give days on which they have. We may be anticipating around 40,000, maybe less, maybe more. Maximum number of candidates attending on a particular. Prevent COVID prevention, firstly, Mati complex, Ramanatha Stadium complex, 3 places on the Tenali Road. One is then we have got the APSSS where we can accommodate, I think, easily 600 to 800. This, as we work out more, we know initially we may ask people to come. So there is social distancing and things can happen. Then, as far as the run is concerned, earlier we used to have 300 plus. They come over there, we have their initial rough height check. Just to see, just to prune out candidates who are actually very well. Indoor stadium, we've got the main stadium with a field, football field size stadium and a running track recently done up by the District Sports Authority for the tournament. We have an indoor gym which is state of the art, and then we have an administrative block. This is what is there, and we will be requiring all these facilities for the conduct. Finally, what is going to come up within these are what is marked as RCR, the RC report centers 1, 2, 3, which are inside the stadium. Recruitment earlier of the entire Andhra state and subsequently presently looking after recruitment of soldiers into the Indian Army from 7 districts that are south of the Krishna River, the 3 coastal districts and the Rayalaseema districts, of course Guntur. At the outset, I'd like to compliment the district administration, the team of the district collector and district commissioner, that despite your busy commitment with preventing and controlling the COVID pandemic which is there, in which the administration has played a wonderful role and kept it under control, and then the recent elections, and of course all of us are having the headache of year-ending accounts and everything. You have been able to take out time and come with it. But this is during the depressing times of the COVID pandemic. This is a glimmer of hope for the youth of these 7 districts of Andhra Pradesh, including Guntur, who will get an opportunity which they missed last year due to the COVID pandemic. We had a rally which was to be conducted in Guntur only. They will get an opportunity to get enrolled in the Indian Army. Ours is a very small organization. We are located in Ravindra Nagar. We are 2 officers, 2 JCOs and 5 other ranks, total 9 people who look after the recruitment into the army from these 7 districts, which is again a large area, for which, as in the past, we have got a lot of support from the district administrations, the local government. We are providing a service opportunity for the for employment of the youth in the service of the nation. And with your support, we will be able to make it extremely successful. The mandate of my office is to select the best from amongst the recruitable male population of these 7 districts who fit into the criteria of our, or the eligibility criteria as laid down by the army. I hope everybody is able to see, or you can move back and move back also. Right. Firstly, what happens on a rally day? How does a rally get conducted? In the overall recruitment process, there are 3 stages. The first stage is this open rally which we are doing here in Guntur. The second stage will be the central entrance examination, which for this recruitment rally will take place in the end of July again in Guntur for candidates who are successful in this rally which will take place in May. And the third stage is when their verification of their documents and their antecedents will take place. After that is cleared, the people who clear that will be sent to training. So it's a 6-month cycle. So we are at the first stage, that is the open rally, where anybody and everybody who is eligible can come and take part. Now for this, he needs to apply online on the website www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. The notification for the current rally is uploaded over there. I have sent a copy to the DC's office. So if anybody requires, these notifications are available, or you can approach us.
And it's indeed a pleasure to host this event in Guntur. And definitely we're going by the details. So what I could observe, the basic points are: one is the team formation, probably from the district administration and a counterpart from the army side, the recruitment side. And both sides we will divide the activities, and there should be a spot, a single point of contact between both of us, so that there will be a parallel team available who can organize and any passing of any information or command which goes seamlessly into the field. So we'll prepare some kind of a shadow team from both of sides, who should act like a SPOC from both of sides. Next is logistics. Logistics have been detailed very, very particularly, so I don't have to again repeat it. So we just go by the numbers and record dates and locations where this has to be deployed. Another one important thing is about the access control. Colonel Sabji was telling about the bandobast. So probably a detailing of this bandobast plan can be done with a coordinated recce on the spot, and work out where the zonations be, where are the access, what are the events are going to happen in which zone, and what are the requirements and who is going to manage. Probably the police as well as the recruitment team can go for a joint recce and complete that. And you could see the publicity part. So publicity part, I think we have sufficiently long time till May. Nevertheless, through print and electronic media, even this meeting can be also be properly publicized.